Hi, it's HardReset, and today I'll show you how to fix fast charging not working on Motorola Razr 7E Plus. So first, check the cable and the charger for any damage and compatibility. Then, flip your phone. Right here is the charging port. Clean it with a non-metallic tools such as Q-tips or wooden sticks, even compressed air. Don't use any metallic tools because you may damage the charging port. Then test with another fast charger and an outlet, and also in the settings, system, here should be the system updates, or right here is the system updates, and you can check for updates and install them. Thanks for watching, don't forget to leave a like and see you in the next one.